Ladies and gentlemen, stop for a moment and ask yourself, why are you wasting energy explaining your every move to people who will never walk in your shoes? The truth is, every explanation steals your focus, every justification delays your progress, and every defense keeps you stuck in the noise. You don't owe the world words, you owe yourself results. Let your silence become your strength, and let your actions roar so loudly that no one can ever question who you are or what you're capable of. There comes a moment in life when you realize that not everyone deserves an explanation. You don't need to constantly justify your choices, your dreams, or your way of living to people who may never understand the depth of your vision. The truth is, the world will always have opinions, but opinions don't define you. Your actions, your results, and the way you carry yourself are the only answers that matter. Too often, we get caught in this endless cycle of trying to convince others of our worth, as if their validation could add or subtract anything from who we truly are. But let me remind you, the most powerful statement you can ever make is not spoken, it is lived. Every time you feel the urge to explain yourself, I want you to pause and remember this. Silence has a weight that words often lack. Silence, combined with relentless action, is louder than any speech you could give. When you stop explaining and start doing, you create a ripple effect. People may doubt you today, but the day they witness your results, they will have no choice but to respect you. Respect is not something you beg for. It is something you command, and that command comes from proving yourself through consistent action, not empty conversations. Think about the greatest trailblazers you know. Did they spend their lives defending their every decision, or did they walk boldly in the direction of their dreams, lowering their achievements to silence the noise? The answer is simple. They let their results do the talking. That's the mindset you need to carry. When you stop wasting energy on trying to be understood, you free up your strength to actually make progress. And progress, no matter how small, will always be more powerful than a perfectly crafted explanation. When people question your ambition, when they criticize your choices, when they laugh at your vision, do not waste your breath explaining why you believe what you believe. Let them laugh, let them doubt. But also, let your persistence and success humble them into silence. Remember, the ones who criticize the loudest are often the ones who fear your potential the most. And the ones who try to make you feel small are only reflecting the limitations they've placed on themselves. You don't owe them clarity. You owe yourself the focus to keep building. There's something magnetic about a person who doesn't explain, doesn't justify, and doesn't defend, but simply moves forward with quiet confidence. That energy is unstoppable because it is rooted in self-belief. When you trust yourself deeply, you don't feel the need to convince anyone else. And when you no longer need external validation, you become unshakable. The world starts to take notice, not because you explained your way to respect, but because you earned it through undeniable action. Understand this. Explanations are often a form of seeking approval, and approval is a fragile currency. Today, someone may applaud your choices. Tomorrow, the same person may tear them apart. If your self-worth is built on their approval, you will forever be chasing an unstable foundation. But if your worth is built on your actions, your growth, your determination, then nothing and no one can take that away from you. When you know who you are and where you're headed, explanations become irrelevant. There will be times when people misunderstand you. They will misinterpret your silence, your decisions, your ambitions. Let them. Misunderstanding is not your responsibility to correct. Your responsibility is to stay aligned with your purpose and keep moving forward with clarity. The truth always reveals itself in time, and when it does, no explanation will be necessary. People will see for themselves the strength of your choices, the resilience in your journey, and the victories that came from your determination. In every phase of life, there will be doubters. There will be people who say you're not ready, not capable, not enough. But let me tell you something. They are not your audience. They are background noise in your story. Your true audience is the future you, the person who will look back and thank you for staying silent when you could have defended, for moving forward when you could have stalled, for building when you could have wasted time convincing others. The most dangerous thing you can do is let people pull you into endless conversations about your worth, because every minute you spend explaining is a minute you lose creating. You have limited energy every day. Where are you going to put it? Into trying to make everyone like you, or into building something undeniable that speaks for itself? The choice is always yours, and it's always clear. When you choose action over explanation, you reclaim your power. You stop living on other people's timelines. You stop bending yourself into shapes just to fit into their expectations. And you start walking in the direction of your own truth, unbothered by whether others understand it or not. Because the truth is, people may never fully understand you, and that's okay. You're not here to be understood. You're here to become unforgettable through the way you live your life. The world doesn't need more people explaining themselves. It needs more people who dare to move forward unapologetically. It needs people who let their work speak, who let go. Hear discipline tell the story, who let their resilience inspire. When you embrace that, you stop playing small. You stop shrinking your dreams to make others comfortable. And you start shining in a way that commands attention without ever asking for it. So the next time you feel the urge to explain, remind yourself of this. Those who truly believe in you don't need explanations, and those who don't believe will never accept them anyway. Why waste your words on ears that are not ready to hear? Instead, put all that energy into showing up, into working harder, into staying consistent. Because actions are universal. They are understood in every language. They leave no room for argument, no space for doubt. There is incredible freedom in not explaining yourself. It means you trust your vision enough to protect it from unnecessary chatter. It means you believe in your path enough to walk it without seeking permission. And it means you value yourself enough to know that your energy is sacred and it should only be spent on what truly matters, becoming the best version of you. So stop explaining, stop justifying, stop seeking permission. Walk forward with your head high, with a calm heart, and with an unshakable belief that your actions will echo louder than any words you could ever say. The world is watching, and it is waiting, not for your explanation, but for your proof. Every time you feel the pull to clarify yourself, to over-explain, or to justify why you made the choices you did, remember that those who truly matter don't need convincing. The people who genuinely want to see you succeed won't ask you to explain. They'll watch, they'll support, and they'll celebrate your journey with you. And those who constantly demand explanations, those who make you feel like you have to defend your every step, they're not questioning you because they don't understand. They're questioning because they don't want to understand. Their doubts are not your responsibility to erase. Their disbelief is not your problem to fix. Your only responsibility is to keep moving forward with determination, even if the world cannot comprehend the fire that drives you. Imagine how much time and energy you've lost in your life trying to make people understand your heart. Think about how many moments you've wasted replaying conversations in your head, wondering if you explained yourself enough, wondering if you justified your dreams clearly. And yet, no matter how hard you tried, the critics remain critics, the doubters remain doubters. And the truth is, no explanation can change someone's perception if they've already decided not to see your value. So why exhaust yourself trying? Instead, take that same energy and pour it into the work. Pour it into becoming so undeniable, so unshakable, that even those who dismissed you have no choice but to recognize your growth. Life has a way of rewarding quiet resilience. There's power in staying silent while you build. There's strength in holding your vision close, protecting it from those who can't see it yet. Because what you're creating, what you're working toward, it doesn't need to be understood in its early stages. A seed never explains to the soil what it will become. It doesn't justify why it's buried in the dark, why it's pushing through the dirt, why it's fighting for light. It just grows. And when it blooms, the world finally understands what it was destined to be. You are no different. You don't need to explain your seasons of struggle, your nights of doubt, your mornings of relentless effort. Keep growing, keep pushing, and in time, your results will reveal everything words never could. There's also a beauty in mystery. When you stop explaining yourself, you create an aura of quiet strength that draws people in. They start wondering what is this person building? What drives them so deeply? How do they keep going without seeking approval? The mystery becomes your power. It makes you stand out in a world where everyone is constantly trying to be understood, constantly oversharing, constantly seeking validation. Your silence, your composure, and your focus will set you apart. It will teach people that you are not here to be ordinary, not here to be easily figured out. You are here to leave a mark through what you create, not through how well you defend yourself. Explanations often come from fear. The fear of being judged, the fear of being misunderstood, the fear of being rejected. But fear has never built greatness. Fear has never created breakthroughs. Courage has. And courage often looks like staying still in your conviction when everyone around you demands answers. Courage looks like smiling when others doubt you, walking tall when others whisper behind your back, and carrying your vision with grace when others call it impossible. That kind of courage transforms lives, not just your own, but also those who look up to you, those who quietly draw strength from your example. The truth is, not everyone deserves access to your reasoning. Not everyone deserves to know the why behind your what. Because some people will take your explanations and twist them. Some will use your vulnerability against you. Some will make you question yourself when you were never wrong to begin with. Protect your vision like it's gold because it is. Protect your plans like they are treasures because they are. You don't owe anyone the map to your future. You only owe yourself the commitment to reach it. Think of the times in your life when you spoke too soon, when you explained too much, and when you let people's doubts creep into your mind. Did their opinions make your path any easier, or did they only plant seeds of hesitation that slowed you down? You see, explanations may feel like they bring clarity, but more often than not, they invite unnecessary noise into your life. The less you explain, the more space you create for focus, for action, and for peace. And peace is priceless when you're building something extraordinary. There's another truth that's hard to swallow, but it's one you need to hear. People will misunderstand you whether you explain or not. You could spend hours justifying your decisions, and still someone will misinterpret. You could pour your heart out, and still someone will say you're selfish. You could explain every detail of your dream, and still someone will laugh. So why keep trying? Why bend yourself into pieces to fit their expectations, when no matter what you do, you will never satisfy everyone? Choose instead to satisfy yourself. Choose instead to honor your calling. Choose instead to stay true to the vision that only you were given. And remember this, the loudest explanations often come from the most insecure places. When you know who you are, when you trust what you are building, you don't need to defend it. You simply live it. That's where real confidence comes from. Not from shouting your plans to the world, but from embodying them quietly and letting your results scream on your behalf. Confidence doesn't chase approval, it creates impact. Confidence doesn't explain, it delivers. And that kind of confidence is magnetic. It draws opportunities, respect, and success right to you without you ever needing to beg for it. So let the doubters talk, let the critics chatter, let the naysayers gather in corners, analyzing your silence and mistaking it for weakness. Because in time, they will see what your silence was protecting. They will see that while they wasted energy talking, you invested your energy in doing. And doing is what changes everything. Doing is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. Doing is what transforms intentions into results. You don't have to tell people you're disciplined. They'll see it in the results you produce. You don't have to tell people you're resilient. They'll see it in the way you rise after every fall. You don't have to tell people you're committed. They'll see it in the life you create. Let your actions be the loudest explanation you ever give. Let your consistency be your language. Let your achievements be the proof that you were right to trust yourself all along. Every time you are tempted to explain, remember the seed. Remember the quiet fight in the dark soil, unseen, uncelebrated, misunderstood. And remember how it rises anyway, breaking through, standing tall, unapologetic, without ever justifying its process. That is your story too. You are not here to explain. You are here to grow, to rise, and to bloom in a way that leaves the world breathless.